Hello everyone, welcome back to our premium course. After complete modeling all C-beam and slab on the second floor, now we continue to the third floor to the 16th floor. Click on the model, construction levels, use the master 3. It's similar with the tape. If you use the tape software before, so you will understand the concept. The second floor, the third floor, I use the same with the second floor. Click OK. The third floor will be duplicated from the second floor. And for the fourth and fifth floor, we use the same concept. Construction, I change it to the second. Click OK. The above floor duplicate from the second floor. Click on validate to check any warning message or any error. There, right click, highlight item. Construction line far from model or this one. Right click, delete, right click, delete, right click, delete, right click, delete items. Validate, no error. Come back again, validate, no error. This model is clean, no warning and error message. For the first and mezzanine, we use the same copy from the second floor, and we will to edit some part of the floor plan. Click on the model construction. First, use the same with the second floor. Mezzanine, use the same with the second floor. And ground floor, B1. Click OK. Now we complete our model. Come back and edit with the first mezzanine and add the basement. Validate to check. Highlight. Right click, delete item. Right click, delete item. Right click, delete item. Right click, delete item. Member has a support apply within its length. Okay. Now I see the error to add the level for the stamp column. Come back to construction level. And below B1, insert below. Spacing 1.5. No spacing and B2, change it to minus. Calculator, minus 3.2 plus minus 1.5 is equal to 1.6. 3.2 minus 1.6 is equal to 4.8 minus 4.8.